Okay, we're checking the oil pressure. Here's the gauge. See, it says 0. I have it hooked up to the engine using this apparatus here into the port. So here we go. Notice that sound of brr, 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 brr. It's like a bubbling sound. I have discovered that it is coming from here. Whoops. Okay. We still hear that noise emanating from there. I don't know why. But that is the oil pressure. And it appears to be dropping as the engine gets warmer. Now that the engine is warm, you hear that connect as well. See what our oil pressure is. Okay, it's down to just below 20 psi now. Engine temperature is what? We are almost at operating temperature. Again, the coolant message is because I have removed the radiator fan. That would not be there if I had not removed the radiator fan. And yeah, now we're going down, down, down. Look at that. Looks like about 18 psi. Seems to me that's kind of low. Should be higher than that, I think. And also that blue, 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 the bubbling message, the bubbling noise that was coming from here has gotten far less frequent as the engine's gotten warmer. I've also noticed that too. Wonder why that is. I can also hear it when the air filter is on. I took it off basically so that it would be more prominent and you could hear it. Here we're down to about 17 and dropping. Ooh, almost 15. Check engine temperature again. We are at operating temperature. We are at 80 Celsius. Or maybe just a tiniest hint below. No, we are. We're right at 80 Celsius. And at idle. You can see the ambient temperature. So, see what our pressure is now. Oil pressure is now. Oh goodness. It's down to about, I think, 15 psi. That's not so good, is it? Is that right? Hopefully you all can help me answer that question. You can hear the glug, 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 glug. The knock, 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 knock. You can hear it. Okay, the end of this video. Thanks for watching.